Well, hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the iOS 15 beta 2 release, re-release. So, I have no idea what Apple is up to. I updated my iPhone 7 right now to this firmware, and this firmware is actually basically the same. And the only thing that Apple actually fixed in this update is that Apple actually fixed some bugs, and some people were having issues while doing payments and using Apple Pay. Some people were having some issues, and as you can see on the screen on the Apple website, we have these that are really minor issues. And I have actually no clue why Apple re-released the beta 2. It was going all right for me. I won't really say it was going awesome for me, but yeah, it was going all right. But Apple apparently re-released this update, and as I said, basically this update is the same as the beta 2. It is just a re-release to fix some bugs and some issues that people were having, and we can actually see a little bit better battery life, because that's the only thing that I think so that a lot of people were complaining about on the beta 2. Well, we have to wait for some time and test the battery out. I will report it on my channel on my follow-up video later this week. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, and now that you have done that, let's talk about my experience till now on the beta 2. Well, the major issue that I was having on my iPhone 12 apparently, which is like, it was latest and the greatest. iPhone 11 was going all right, the battery and everything. Like iPhone 11 was the only device which was like one of the best performing in terms of battery life, in terms of all everything. On iPhone 7 was the best device in my opinion. My 10R was struggling, 7 is struggling. Obviously, it is really old, so that can be the reason too. And apparently, all of my devices are struggling, but my iPhone 12 lost 2% of battery health, and I was getting like 3-4 hours of battery screen on time, which is like so low for a device that just launched. And in general, that does not really play a major role when you are on beta. I know it, but man, it hurts when your iPhone 12 is getting like 3-4 hours of screen on time. Well, that's pretty much it for today's video. This update does not really have anything major to talk about, so I will meet you all in the very next episode. Thank you so much for watching it, and peace out.
All